Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day everybody. My name is Albert Tam from Download Silo, and we are here again for another session of this webinar or Facebook live session. And today we are lucky to have this Ankit from EasySendy Pro, what they call this company, and they're actually doing the
Hi,
hybrid email marketing software. And how are you, Ankit?
I'm doing well, Albert, and thank you so much for having us here and hosting us.
Okay, that's good. No, so guys, if you can hear us, see us, please type your name in the chat, and so that we can know who you are and where are you coming from. So right now, I see Chaitanya. How are you, Chaitanya? I see your name on the chat.
Hi, Chaitanya.
Okay, as usual, I will do this. I will just project this up. Please click this link, melonapp.com/Facebook, to give permission to this Melon app to show your name as well as a profile photo while you are chatting. So this is important so that we know who you are, as well as also this form the basis of giving away to you guys at the end of this session. We have five prizes to be given away, value each at $69, and we hope that you can participate and ask a lot of questions as the founder is here for you guys. So let me see who is actually on the line. Okay. Yeah, Nilayan Ghosh, Latif Mia, sorry, Mabel I, Sujit Biswas. Okay, guys, I can see that you are guys are actually here, and we should start, the introduction without further ado. Ankit, before we start, let me ask you some simple question so that the audience will get to know you better. So, can you tell me what actually prompt you to start this easy Sendy kind of email SaaS? Can you tell
Yep,
us the background?
yep, definitely, Albert. So my whole in background goes with EasySendy is that when I was working on my last startup, it was into e-commerce, deal space, deal and Groupon, kind of competitor. It was in the market back in 2013 and 14. Then we had uh, driven a ton of success through personalized emails, one-on-one emails, scaling the whole platform through our email marketing practices, and it resulted in a couple of million of sales for major of the e-commerce players out here in India. We were working with Amazon, Flipkart, Zoe, Zivame, and a ton of players, Snapdeal, and all. So this kind of success over a couple of quarters gave me an idea that I should be helping with these kind of tools, building these kind of platforms which can bring hyper personalization to the emails while engaging with the target audiences. So what we had done that point of time, later on we took an exit from the business, and then I came full time on in 2015 and I started with EasySendy, and this is where whole solution platform came for small businesses. So when we talk about personalization in terms of a lot of text based personalization, image based personalization, and location based personalization we are providing onto the platform, and these personalization bring in a tremendous ROI. Then moving further, we got to know from our users that how does the professional email marketing team or a large email marketing team use email marketing, like companies at Groupon, companies at team at Snapdeal, or different team, how they have leveraged email at large scale. We got a quite deep dive into how does existing ESPs work into the market. ESPs like Mailchimp. Then we have other of a couple of competitors like uh, Aweber, and then a lot of players. Then we got to know that these kind of personalization need to be further driven down into more of features onto the platform that can help performance marketers drive more ROI from email campaigns. So now this is the place where back in 2016 we came up with hybrid email marketing concept, which enabled our users of EasySendy to deliver and route emails through multiple email service providers like Amazon SES, SendGrid, Mailgun, and several different transactional email service providers. So during that point of time, the market was very much flooded with ESPs like Mailchimp, Aweber, and all several players. But when we came up with an option that enabled marketers to A/B test their campaign on networks, on several transactional email networks, it has become a big success in the market. So now majority of the large email marketers, those who have email list above 5,000 or email list above 6,000 subscribers, so uh, they leverage kind of hybrid email marketing through EasySendy. So once you will see it's a very basic thing in the market. When your list start growing and when you are engaging your audience, your engagement rates keep on dropping. So the reason is not your bad quality of email. The reason is not your uh, unmatched quality of email and your subscribers. There are the reasons where local data center processing also takes a play. For example, today we have Amazon SES Singapore region. So if you have subscribers in Singapore and you are delivering using Amazon SES Singapore onto EasySendy platform, you are going to get 15 to 20% higher email placement inside the inbox. So this is one. These are some of the holy grail inside the email marketing as of today. So majority of the email marketers, those who have clean email list, top 10 email list, they are segmenting their list according to their geolocation of the subscribers, then routing their emails through several of these places, more than one places. Then again, they are also doing more of channeling of their segments. I mean, if they have the subscribers of low quality, then they go ahead with cheaper email delivery providers. And if they have high quality, then they go ahead with high delivery and high performing email providers like SendGrid, which helps them deliver high quality content to their email subscribers. Yep.
O-
So I hope I'm able to explain the whole story behind the platform, which has matured a lot today. Now we have a ton of integration onto the platform, starting with Zapier, VoiceBulb. Then we also have integration with a lot of email list cleaning tools onto the platform. Then further to this, we also have integration. We are coming up with integration through SMS providers and WhatsApp providers, where we will be doing a lot of enablement to the small businesses and the marketers at the small businesses, those who want to scale their engagement and want to come closer to their audiences.
Okay, so Ankit,
Yep.
so maybe I should ask you some short question. You can answer it very briefly so that people know more about your team. Okay, where are you based in India?
So our team is based out here in Bangalore, India.
So how many of you are actually in the team? So are you having a distributed team or everybody is in Bangalore?
No, it's a distributed team of
Mhm.
30 to 35 people into the organization, and we have our product team currently sitting at Bangalore. Product team, engineering team, the DevOps team, the test team, and the email expert team, who are the support team people sitting out here.
Mhm. Okay, since your group of what I call members are actually 35, so actually I would assume that this is quite a sizable company, to be frank. And because I have met a lot of SaaS founders, they only have maybe 5 to 10, or maybe sometimes only 1 or 2 person, So I believe that no, your company has been set up since
Mhm.
2013, is it right?
Yes, so the company has been set up since 2013. We started operations from 2015, and then that's how we are going on till now.
Okay, that's interesting. Which means that your company actually have what they call monthly recurring customer right now, right?
Yes. So
Okay,
we have EasySendy as our leading product line into small businesses, and we have another product line called Aritic, which is more into mid-enterprise and enterprise businesses.
I see. So
Yeah.
since you already have a meet to what I call enterprise customers, so why do you want to go into this LTD community, to promote this LTD into AppSumo as well as also Deal Mirror?
Yeah. So looking into the current requirement of the space, that is one of the reason we launched this LTD. And second one is our revenue sizing and the company goals and the targets. According to that, we keep on getting into the market and keep on shifting focus between a small segment, a small market, and the large mid enterprise and enterprise market. So currently, for us, we have reached all the quota for mid enterprise and enterprise businesses. And this year, in June 2022, we released a major version of updates on EasySendy. So that is why we are marketing it at LTD communities. We are marketing EasySendy at offers. We are tapping in influencer marketing. We are working with affiliates. We are working with channel partners. So this is how we are distributing our new product release.
Mhm. Okay, that's interesting, because I mean, to be frank, I'm very familiar with these email marketing providers,
Right.
all over the world. I think most of the audience are actually very familiar. So
Mhm.
because I actually talked to your what I call your team member, Neha, I was talking to her. I say, hey, how come we do not know you? So then
Oh my
I was wondering,
God. So
you're from
yes, so
India, but then
we
not many people know in the LTD
yeah,
community. I mean, it's not something that we are trying to belittle you or your company. But then later I found out that you're actually popular in the Western world,
right.
so rather than in India, so kind
Mhm.
of interesting, So can you tell us why this happened,
Yeah, so majority of the product adaptation has from beginning it has happened from US and Europe regions. Although we had seen 20% decline during the GDPR implementation back in 2018, and then that is where we added our focus on larger platform RETech. But again, I could see again we brought in the focus back from 2019 into EasySendy, and then we started interacting with a lot of communities right from there. So this has been up and down so far for our product lines. It's more of we had consistent flow of 300 plus users onto the platform, so we were kind of okay, this is the place we should stop promoting it and start serving really well to these customers. So in a cohort of 300 plus users, we were using which are using EasySendy, we focused on fulfilling their demand. So this is the methodology we followed. It's not like we wanted to bring in a batch of 600 users or probably 1,000 users, and if we fail to serve them, it's not going to work at all. So that is how we design the whole promotion strategy, whole of the marketing strategy into different markets, and that is how we move ahead.
Mhm.
So again, in the email marketing space, what we had seen, there was a time back in 2018 when GDPR rolled out. A lot of a lot of customers and businesses went clueless. Even the leader in this space, I mean Mailchimp, I mean they were kind of completely clueless. I mean what to do going ahead. Later on, 2 years, if you could see, Mailchimp was forced to merge into it. So this is where the whole game changer come in, and then they fail to adapt to the cloud model of email marketing, and we survived through GDPR and we went on to cloud model. And the transparency what we bring in for the email marketers is tremendous. So for example, here are some of the examples. If we could see, we used to deliver email through Amazon SES, and you can route the email through Amazon SES right from EasySendy. You can route through SendGrid, and you can test your email delivery capacity among the same set of audiences over 6 months. But these kind of ability currently is not at all available on any of the ESPs like MailChimp, any of the ESPs like, however, any of the ESPs like Active Campaign. So this is the unique value proposition we got in front of the customers who were kind of demanding, we want to customize the last mile email delivery a lot, and this is where we gave them what they have been looking for.
Mhm. Okay, that's very interesting. So because everybody knows about Mailchimp, and some people was asking me, who is this guy? Who is this Easy Sandy? I say they are not actually the first timer. They are not actually a fly by night company. They are actually established company, but
You're right.
not as big as Mailchimp. That kind of a
Right,
giant.
right.
So that's why I was interested to do this Facebook Live with you guys. So without further ado, Ankit, I invite you to go to your backend and show to the audience how good is your EasySendy hybrid email platform to the
Mhm.
audience. And after that, we will follow by question and answer for the last 15 minutes or so. Please.
Sure. So shall I start with a presentation, or shall I directly jump into the product demo?
Are you sharing the screen now?
Give me a moment. Okay. Now I have shared this.
Okay, let me project it up. Can you share your tab? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So you can see my screen, right?
Yes, correct. You just follow your presentation. No problem. If there's anything, I will let you know.
Great, great. So if you if the audiences need this presentation, so I can send it to you all also. So
Mm-hmm.
out here at EasySendy, as I said, we have a plenty of feature for our small businesses, and some of these features we have listed out here. Our focus currently, as I said, we have multiple email list verification integration, email warm up onto the platform we have launched in June 2022. Then we have multiple teammates you can add inside. You can craft behavior-based email follow-ups, then behavior-based list management automation, list management you can completely do onto the platform, like filtering, segmenting. All these things can be done without downloading the email lists again and again from your reports or from your existing email lists. Followed by this, you can automate a whole of the micro targeting. Then you can deliver mobile optimized emails, which are getting really good and high email open rates. So onto the roadmap, we are also working on AMP for email to bring in front of our users. So as you could see out here, here's a brief about how does EasySendy works. So onto the platform EasySendy, you can manage your email list, you can filter your email list, you can manage your blacklists, you can manage your gray list, you can manage all kind of email templates and the campaigns onto the platform. You can design drip campaigns, you can design autoresponders, you can connect Zapier, WordPress forms are there. You can put up the subscription form on your website from where you can start capturing leads inside the system. We have web pop forms which you can design right from EasySendy and put up in front of your visitors and capture subscriptions from website directly inside EasySendy lists. So all in all, these features are out here for last mile email delivery. You can connect any of your Amazon SES account, DIN account, Elastic Email, LeaderSend, MailChimp, LeaderSend, Mailgun, Mandrill, SendGrid, Spark Post, and we also have integration with another 10 to 15 plus SMTP providers. Then you can deliver and manage all these campaigns through these relays into the mailbox, into the target mailbox. So some of our customers are listed out here. Those who have been using our platform day in day out, their email engagement team, email retention team, email announcement team, everyone has been using the platform of EasySendy. So this is the template designer, the builder, which you can use inside, which is a easy drag and drop builder. You can design the email template right from the builder inside EasySendy. Then you can also design a behavior-based follow-up automation, drip campaigns with decision, condition, and actions. Out here, you can do behavior list management automation. Then you can also link click engagement automation. So, for example, if somebody is clicking a link, you can automatically send them next sequence of emails or next email according to those clicks. You have responsive email templates which you can directly code and add. You can also import your email templates from HTML link. You can also import your pre-designed email templates, which you have got brand email templates designed by your email design team. So you can import all those emails directly inside these EasySendy email builder. So you can see you can design RSS based email campaigns, event based, and geolocation campaigns. Not only that, you can re-engage with your audiences, those who have not opened your email. For example, you sent an email 2 days back and you want to easily send email to those people, those who have not opened email in last 48 hours. So you can directly do all these right inside EasySendy. Then, as I said, we have forms and subscription list management. So all these features are out here. These features can be directly implemented onto your website, and right from the website engagement, these pop-ups can engage your visitors and drive registrations and drive subscriptions inside your EasySendy email list account. Followed by this, whole of the team is providing you end-to-end report. Right from they are helping you with SPF, PKIM, DMARC record implementations, proper record implementation support. If you are facing any kind of issues on integrating Amazon SES, Mailgun, or any of the ESPs or transactional email relays, our team is there to help you out, set up all these on priority. Coming to the reports of the emails, yes, I will be jumping inside the report, inside the application, where you can see very drill down reports on email engagement, all the opens, non-opens, and link clicks, all those details are there. So you could see other of our products from our company. We have in-house arithmetic mail infrastructure also available for email deliveries. So for example, if you are not going to go ahead with Amazon SES, if you have some issues with Amazon SES, then you can directly purchase arithmetic mail emails, which have all these available onto the platform. Once Arctic Mail is integrated, you can use a ton of these features. Very detailed reports can be viewed through Arctic Mail onto our platform. So the value to the customers, if you could see, we are driving a whole of list management, deployment, uh, drip, trigger, and all these automations that are possible currently onto the platform. And users are using the platform in several different ways to keep in touch with their audiences. So this is about our company and the useful links which we have put up out here.
Okay, can we go into the back end of what I call your app, so that you see this how to send the email or how to configure the platform, for their own use?
Yes. So this is the screen you are going to get once you sign up with us. And once you sign up with us, you are going to see the list of steps that need to be completed. So once you sign up, you will have to start adding your company details. You can click over here and add all the detail about your company, about your brand, all these details. Give me a moment. It just signed out.
Are you sharing the screen?
Yeah, give me a moment. I'm just logging into the system.
Okay.
So basically, this is the admin access which I'm having. So that is why I had to turn off the sharing.
Okay, guys. While Ankit was trying to set up in the backend, let me do some housekeeping again. There are some people who actually have not given permission to this Melon app to show your face as well as your name. If you don't do that, we can't see you. We can't see you at the back end, so we do not know who you are. As usual, like this guy, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is Niru. So you don't show us your name, we do not know who you are. So sometimes it becomes difficult.
So I'm waiting. So it's the screen. Okay, cool. Now it is working. Okay, so now you can see my screen.
Yes.
Cool. So I was here inside the application. So you could see the blue detail is coming on top, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here you have to once you sign up, you have to complete all these steps. The first step is putting up the company information. Then it says you can upload complete of your list right now inside your email list. Then you can configure the sending domain to send out the 30,000 free emails per month to Arctic email. Then you can configure SPF, DKIM, and all these details. So for example, if you by default you want to configure our Arctic mail details, then you will have to start with the sending domain. You will have to configure all these sending domain over here. So for example, you have this is the domain which you want to add. Once you add, it gives you all the records that need to be updated on your DNS. If you are not familiar with all these steps, then our team is here to help you out configuring all these details for yourself. So this is the way you can configure Arctic Mail by default. Or if you want to configure a delivery server for email deliveries, you can create a you can connect your existing accounts with any of the transactional email delivery providers. So you can see a lot of email delivery providers are out here, starting from Amazon SES and all these out here. You can configure all these details inside here. Once you are done adding all these details, then you can activate. So you have the guidelines written out here, which you can follow if you want to do on your own. If you need help from our team, you can directly chat to our team from here, and then our team is going to help you configure everything. So once you are done with all these setup, activation, and all these details, now you can start getting inside email campaigns, where you can configure all the campaigns. You can see view all campaign, and then from here you can create a new campaign. You can define a campaign name. Just let me touch. whatever kind of email you want to go ahead, you can also select from here. The email list, currently the email list is empty, so you will have to add the email list also. As you could see, it says out here upload the email list. So you will have to create your own email list so that you can test this system. I will put it as test list. Then you can select all these details. So here it says I have to add company detail. So this is the detail you can fill out here, and I'm going to save all these detail. Now I hope all the list, this first list has been created. You could see this is the list which we created. So to add a subscriber, you can move here inside this list, subscribers. You can see all these details. Now here you can create a subscriber by putting an email. Let us say Ankit at EasySendy.com. So I'm putting it as confirmed. I'm going to save this detail out here. So this is how you can manually enter the subscribers. Or if you want to add subscribers in bulk, you can directly come to the list. The tools, and from here you can import your subscribers. So you can see you can import the subscribers right from here. You can download a format of CSV file that can be used for uploading your emails. So you can import directly from the CSV file. You can import, if you are an advanced user, you can connect your SQL database also, and you can import all these details inside your email list. So these are the details inside email list. You can see one is the email subscribers. Once we have added this subscriber, you can see their status. Their status always need to be confirmed. If you want to deliver the emails, you can change the status or multiple status of the selected emails or the list. From here, you can mark them as confirmed, unconfirmed, unsubscribed, unapproved, blacklisted, disabled, or moved. Then you can also search the, the subscribers one-on-one right from here. If you want to search somebody, you can directly put in their email. You can put in email or first name or last name out here. Then you have more of these details available about these subscribers. For example, if you are clicking on the subscriber profile, you can see all these details from what IP address they had clicked or they had come, how you have added this person over here. Have you added them through web or through email list, or they have come through some forms? So all these details are available here about your subscribers. Apart from this, you can see what all campaigns that has been sent. So currently we have not sent any campaign to the subscriber. This is why it is blank. You can update the subscriber, you can unsubscribe, export the profile. You can do all these several actions for each of these subscribers. You can also perform bulk action from the source. For example, on the fly, many marketers do is that they copy the list of subscribers, email and their first name, and directly try to import them inside this particular each of their email list. So you can directly do from here, and you can mark them in a bulk what all action you want to take on those list of subscribers. You also have filters inside each email list. So you can check who has opened, not opened, clicked, and not clicked according to the campaigns. Then you can define for how many days, weeks, or month you want to set a filter. And then like that, you can see only those subscribers over here who are fulfilling these filters. So I'll just put cancel and then come back to the list panel again. So once we start adding all these detail for each single list, you will start doing how your email list is performing, how much email average email open rate is it driving, how much clicks, how much unsubscribe, complaint, and bounce it is driving. You have segments out here. You can create segment of your choice. You can put a name, operator match, if you want to match all or any of these conditions which you want to put up over here. So based on email, first name, last name, and then you want to put down the filter out here, and based on the value, you can start creating segments out here. So conditions you can apply based on the campaigns. So we have all these segments available over here. You can also create a static segment inside each of your email list. For example, you want to bring in some of this export some of the selected filtered subscribers from here, and you want to put them inside the segment, you can directly do it. Followed by this, you can define custom fields right from here. So custom fields are more of properties of each of the contacts. Here you have email, you have a first name, which we have already defined, and the last name. So according to your requirement, you can define all these fields, custom fields for each of your contacts. So you can add a text field, a custom text line. If you want to add, you can add them over here. Then you can define what this text value is used for. For example, you want to put a text value of something you have in your business is. There's a custom field which you want to define as private level. Then you can define a tag out here. So tag can be defined as private level. If it is required every time for each of the contacts, you can define right from here. Then you can define if you want to add a drop list to the contacts, if you want to add geo country to the contacts, if you want to get all these details, you can put in according to your business requirement whatever the details you want to have in your list subscribers each single contacts. So these are pretty much quite useful for marketers who are getting deep dive into defining the properties of each of the contacts. So now you can quick navigate right from here onto the pages, or you can go back here, and then you can see you have different pages available out here. These pages are like the pages which you are going to use to view to the subscribers when they are looking forward to resubscribe or come out of the list, or they want to subscribe more emails. So for example, this list can be viewed out here and its design can be modified from here. So HTML source is also here. You can directly modify, or you can use this field to modify all the details according to your business. You can add a logo and all these things over here. You have other pages available right over here, like subscriber form, then pending subscribe detail. So pending subscription page, you can modify it. These are viewed by each of the subscribers. These are the single individual pages. If your subscribers are putting in or putting in their email, they are going to see their own status. What is the status of their subscription? Then the profile page, for example, you want your subscribers to update their profile, then you can directly send this page and get them update the profile. So like this, you can configure your welcome email. For example, if your subscribers has not confirmed, then you can customize this email and send out this email to your subscribers who can resubscribe to this email list. So like this, there are a lot of pages and emails which you can configure while setting up a new EasySendy account. So you could see a very much in depth, small features and advanced features I'm also taking up, but not going very much deep inside this call. So subscriber form you can define. You can put this iframe onto your website. So this is the subscriber form you can put in. Then you have PHP SDK, which you can also configure into your WordPress website, or if you have any custom built website, you can put in all these details. So this is the basic subscription form which we have available over here. Advanced forms are available inside web pop forms. Let me get back to the list again. The tools section, we have already gone deep inside it. And once you want to update your email list with more features, as you could have seen over here, what is this list all about? Is it single opt-in, double opt-in, then notification? If you want to receive any notification based on your subscribers subscription, unsubscription, you can use these features. You can take more actions based on the subscribers. If somebody is subscribing to this list, then what need to be done to other list? If they are unsubscribing, what need to be done? Then the default, you could see, you can put up your name, from name, which name you want to use to send out the email. Then the advanced features, like you can sync your email list to your Facebook customer audience. Then you can also do put up a redirect status out here. So these are a little bit advanced, as the name suggests. And then the company detail. So a very deep dive out here, which I have shown you about your email list, and you can configure inside each email list. You can configure what is the view you want to see out here. Then more advanced options are available onto the left for each of the tool. You can sync multiple email list. For example, you want to sync 2 email list. You can configure whatever the action you want to take from here. You can define all these actions and click on sync. You can split the list if you want to split these lists. So you don't have to go back to a spreadsheet or Excel to perform all these actions and download and upload directly. You can do all these things from here. You can configure email blacklist. You can use MailChimp import option to import your existing subscribers right from your MailChimp account. You don't have to download and upload over here. You can directly connect MailChimp and import your accounts. Then these filters, as I have been talking about, is if you want to do a deep dive into the filtering of your subscribers or your list, you can do all these right from here. You have a several option out here. If I had sent a number of campaigns over here, then these campaigns should have been visible over here. So you can do add all these detail and filter your emails, and once you submit, your all of your emails are going to populate over here, and then from these emails you can export these emails, or you can directly create a new list based on these filters.
Ankit,
Suppression list is there, so my team can help you guys understand what does suppression list does and blacklist does. We also have all these detail available as tutorials and documents that you can follow.
Ankit, can you stop for a while? I need to make an announcement.
Yep, sure.
Okay. So guys, I have actually posted up this link for this giveaway participation form. So it's go download silo.com/EasySendy giveaway. Click that link and provide your name as well as an email as also your Facebook profile so that we can put you into the giveaway views of name later. So please do that while we are actually continuing this webinar. So the link is up in the video. Please do that now. Okay, Ankit, you may continue
Sure.
while they are actually doing that.
So thank you so much, Albert. So now coming down to email list, as you could see, you can import your email list. Our team always suggests to keep your email list clean. So for example, when you have imported your emails from old ESP, or you have existing emails, my team always suggests to keep the email list clean. So to keep the email list clean, you can connect your accounts with all these email service verification email service providers. So these email service providers help you maintain your email list. They remove the bad emails, non-deliverable emails, the high bounce emails automatically from the list. Apart from this, our list also automatically removes any emails which are going to see soft bounce. After 3 times, if your emails are getting soft bounce, it automatically blacklists the email from here and put it into blacklist or put it into unsubscribe. Then based on, for example, if you want to use all these features apart from email verification, we also have, for example, hard bounce. If your subscribers are getting hard bounce, then the emails are automatically moving to through the blacklist feature automatically, so you don't have to worry about all these things that EasySendy is doing all these things or not. So whole of the contact management and list management is beautifully built inside this application, and it automatically works out here inside EasySendy. So why the email verification is important today is more of when you are using email verification. For example, if your emails subscriber emails are getting redundant, if they are not responding to any of the emails, they are not reachable, or your emails are not going, it is always good to keep them removed from your active list. So active list management automatically happens once you connect your any of these verification email providers. So when you connect, what it does is on monthly basis you can connect and use it to keep your list healthy. If your emails are not getting delivered or emails are not getting opened, even if you have sent them 10 campaigns, 12 campaigns in over a period of 90 days, it automatically removes and put those emails as unapproved over here. So you could see all these status details are over here. So for example, if this email is not opening the campaigns, it automatically moves this email to unapproved or blacklisted, or even it can move to disabled after longer period of time. So these kind of features are completely built in inside the platform, which helps you manage your gray list. And this way it helps you keep your email sending reputation super high. And email service provider or the mailbox providers and the email service providers like transactional email APIs, Amazon SCS, SendGrid, all of them love that your emails should not be going to bounce or should not be going to the dead emails. So what happens is once this maintenance is done over here, none of the last mile email delivery providers are going to block you. Now coming to the email campaigns, as you can see, we have a lot of features out here. You can create a new campaign from here. You can define, as you could see, we have defined a list. List is directly coming over here. You can define regular or autoresponder or any of these. Sending group, you can define if you want to build a group of campaigns, you can define all these groups from here. You can pre-select all these groups. You can click next. So you could see according to the email list details, it has already imported all from name, then email, then reply to, and the email which you will be sending. So here you can customize all these tags. You can rotate your name according, you can put up random name 3, 4 times, 5 times, and while sending the emails, it can automatically rotate all of your from name if you want to randomize your name out here. So you could see several of these tags. All these tags definition are available onto our tutorial. You can check them in detail. You can define the subject line. You can define the tag. You can put in the first name of your subscribers out here, and it will automatically populate the first name of your subscriber. You can put in the emojis out here of your choice. Now, this is the part where you should be aware that if you want to track email open or not, if you want to go anonymous, you can click no. Because of the privacy reasons, a lot of our customers in Europe region, they wanted to have this option, and we provided this option where they can select whether they want to go ahead with open tracking or not. URL tracking by default, it's on. It is always a good practice to send a plain text email with this. Then the tracking domain, while you are configuring all these delivery servers, whether it is Arctic Mail or any email delivery server of your choice, we always recommend to configure your tracking domains right from here. Then you want to randomize this subscribers in a list. You can do this. For example, this feature is used by a lot of advanced marketers, those who want to randomize their emails to be sent first or last. Email stats, here you can put in your team emails, those who want to receive the email report after this campaign has finished. So if you will put in all these emails with a comma, then they are going to receive all the update about these reports. It is always a good practice to add a pre-header to the email, because in Gmail and other of the email service mailboxes, you have these features where pre-headers are shown along with your name. This is forward friend subject. So if somebody is forwarding your email to a friend, to their friend into their mailbox, then this subject line will automatically populate. Some of the advanced options are also over here. You can add custom value field based on open. So you can define all these details. If you are more techy, you can use the webhooks feature out here, subscriber webhook upon campaign open. So for example, if somebody is opening your campaign, so webhooks will be called from here. Other tags, you can define tag and content. You can add multiple tag and content. So these tags you can use inside your email design. So for example, if you are defining some tag and a content over here, these tags can be directly used inside your email template design, which is in the next step. So just now I'm removing these options because these are the advanced options. And we are going to go next. Okay. So here you have the plain text editor. You can define the template name. You should uh, select if you want to go ahead with a plain text or a design-based template campaign. You can toggle the editor from here. You could see you have now the editor which has drag and drop feature available. You can add tags. The available tags are shown over here, whatever tags you want to add. So for example, I want to add a first name over here. So pretty much very common among the emails is these settings you can do for your email template. Then out here you can add UTM tags. So UTM tags mostly if you want to track through Google Analytics, you can add all the patterns over here, and then you can get the report directly inside your Google Analytics account. As I said, the random tags you can define again over here, random tag blocks. So these are more for advanced composable emails. For example, if you want to define these content and get them pulled out here inside the email based on certain calls, you can define all these details. I will come to the next screen. So here it says we should use company full name. So it is always a good practice to add the details. So now this is the last screen. Since this is a regular campaign, you are not going to get more of the options over here for autoresponders, and all the options are over here. Now here you can schedule this campaign at certain point of time if you want to schedule and make them reach. So your time zone setting is available inside the company account. Here is the company profile where you can set up your company details, your timeline details. This is another feature, the time wrap. According to the time wrap, if you want to deliver this campaign, it will go. Time wrap feature is more discussed inside our uh, tutorials, which you can have a look through, help documents. You can send a test email from here, and email you can put up the subject line, and you can send a test email to your test account. So it is always a good practice to deliver a test email and then do the modifications wherever you need, and then finally you can click on send campaign. It will start sending the campaign. Out here, I'm not showing you the detail about how to configure your uh, email APIs like Amazon SES, SendGrid, and how to activate RTIC mail. Anytime you can explore the pricing features of all these last mile email delivery APIs or transactional email delivery APIs, and then get a help from our team to configure all these email relays out here inside the system. We have other features available. As we said, regular campaign is a pretty simple campaign. We have Once you have done sending, you can see a very detailed in-depth report out here. Then we have autoresponders where you can use autoresponders, then maybe split campaigns you can define. Then you have campaign groups, send groups, geolocation opens. Once you start using using these features, these options are going to generate the report for you. So we have the email templates available. Currently, some of the sample email templates over here. So once you upload the template, these default templates can be stored over here for you. From the gallery, we have some of the templates which you can directly click and import inside your account. For example, you want to import this. So currently this one is, you can see what kind of template is this. So this is a basic template. You can click and import here. So now you could see it is imported inside your templates. We have one landing page feature, which is a beta feature, which is available over here. It's only a beta feature. Our team is still working on that. Sub accounts is the feature where you want to add multiple of your teammates. You can add your teammates right from here. So for them, you can define language. If for them, you can define what all they can control. You can give different permissions to your teammates according to their access. They will be able to log in and use this application. So pretty much here again the support tickets. Either you can talk directly to our team using the chat widget out here, or you can use the support ticket to raise tickets. Usually these tickets get addressed within a couple of hours when you raise these tickets. Yeah. So on to the next, we are bringing in more of integrations. We are bringing in, I will stop sharing my screen over here, Albert. Yep.
Okay, thank you, Ankit, for your quite comprehensive what I call demo. I've seen there are actually quite a number of features which is actually very good. I would say comparable to those well-known brand like Mailchimp or whatever. Get respond. So now before we actually go into the question and answer session by the audience, I myself have one big question. Is actually this. So I believe in order to use this EasySendy, you need to subscribe to SES, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the cost of this SES? Let's say, I mean, ballpark figure, because when people buy this LTD, although it's 69 for 10,000 users, but then there will be some additional cost on how many emails they are sending out or maybe receiving.
Yeah. So EasySendy comes up with a very low subscriber based pricing model, where, as I said, you can maintain your email list and email designs, email template, email campaign reports, all these things onto the platform. And email deliveries are chargeable by the end email delivery providers like Amazon, SES, and everyone. So Amazon SES currently charges you a really affordable price of 10,000 emails for $1. So that is a really affordable price for sending out campaigns. Onto the website, we have all the savings calculator onto the homepage of EasySendy, where you can calculate if you are going to send 10 campaigns a month or 5 campaigns a month to Amazon SES, how much will be the price. So these price we have already calculated. Our customers usually calculate and keep in mind that how it is going to work, and based on that pricing model, they usually work with either one email delivery provider or multiple email delivery provider according to their priorities.
I see. Maybe can you show us the what they call the screen? Then we can actually know roughly how much it costs.
Yeah, let me share my screen again. So out here we have, once we scroll down to the mid of the website, here we have the savings calculator. So for example, if you have 10,000 subscribers and 4 campaigns you are sending, then EasySendy will be charging you $19, and $4 the charge will be coming as AWS charges.
Okay, that will be that table, huh?
Yeah. So, for example, if you increase the subscriber size, all the pricings will get updated, and you can compare the prices what other providers are going to charge you for this amount of subscribers.
Mhm. Okay, that will be a
So
good
here is
good
the total
comparison.
charge. Yeah,
Okay, because some people was asking me, so I say you can get an answer
right,
from today's webinar. So this is the where you can actually do a calculation before you actually know what
right,
how much cost is involved. Okay.
right.
Okay, let's move to the question and answer time. I will project up the question and you try to answer that, please.
Definitely.
Okay.
I'll
Yeah,
just
can you see
stop
the
the
question
screen.
on the bottom bar?
Give me a moment.
Come to the
I
video.
think the
Come to the
struggle
video.
is how to ensure the email land in the primary inbox, how extensive were the test conducted. So we do not target to enable you to land your email inside the primary inbox. It completely depends on the email campaign, whom you are sending, what is the content of your email, what is the reputation, how much guidelines you are following according to the rules of the mailbox providers. Like you need to get everything configured really well, like IT setup need to be done really well, and then followed by that you need to follow the email warm up plan. So according to the email warm up plan, all these inbox landing and inbox placements are guaranteed.
Okay. The next question, I think this was answered, but then maybe you can just give a short answer to this.
Right. So, I have already given the answer since we launched the new version this June. So we are launching LTDs with all our promoters and all our marketers.
Okay. Next. Hold on. Can all email will be hosted on EasySend?
So I believe this question is not clear. Yes, all email will be hosted on EasySendy server only. So you don't have to pay AWS or any other hosting servers additional fees to host an email. So uh, let me answer this. I mean, once you have designed the campaign, the web version, you can see about your emails or campaigns right inside your EasySendy account. You don't need additional server. You only need to configure Amazon SES or Endmail email delivery APIs and verification APIs to keep your email list hygiene healthy.
Okay. I think this is obvious, right? Can we add, delete, update contact?
So inside the free account, the deletion of the contact is not allowed. But when you go ahead with a paid plan, yes, the deletion and everything is allowed.
Okay, this important question by Charles.
Mhm. So when we talk about cold emails, the cold emails I believe the cold emails which you are talking about is non-subscribed emails or probably non-opt-in emails. So a lot of marketers who are doing opt-in and opt-out emails completely based on their subscriber email list. What happens is if your email list is not clean, not healthy, you will get blocked by email relay providers or SMTP providers or email API providers immediately. So this is the very straight issue that happens with the cold emails. When your email list is clean and you are following email warm-up plans are quite restricted, then your email goes on, and once you are increasing your email delivery speed slowly according to your email warm-up plan, then all these are going to get delivered into your subscriber mailbox.
Yeah, I hope Charles, you can understand this what I call situation. So it depends on a
Right.
lot of factors. But then if you just simply get some list and then put it on and then standing out, I think very high chance you get spam warning or maybe got banned.
Right, right. So what do we do out here is we always prefer our users and subscribers of EasySendy to configure whole of their sending domain, their tracking domain on EasySendy, and then they should start using EasySendy altogether. Because when you have not configured your own tracking domain or sending domain, what happens is you will be allotted to a shared domain, and those shared domain may impact your reputation. You would not be able to build your email reputation in front of your mailbox providers.
Okay. Next question. Does it have an email cleanup feature? This is by Zhao.
Yes, John. So we have this email list cleaning feature in partnership with other email list cleaning providers like Kickbox. We have integration, and then email list cleaning providers we have integration. So almost we have 5 to 6 active integration partners which you can use to clean your email list and keep them continuously clean.
Okay, thank you. This is by Mohan. Contact mapping
So
setting
contact
gets it.
mapping settings get saved. Yes. So contact mapping setting. I hope you are talking about contact fields and the whole of the list, right? So yes, all these settings are saved. Sorry, Albert, I did not get the last part of that question.
Okay, Nilayan was commenting that 10K subscriber is a bit turn off. So do you have any plan to increase the limit? You know, basically.
Okay, so right now we have come up with this limit. We have planned to launch with AppSumo in January, and then we are going to provide stackable deals of EasySendy where you can increase your subscribers. You can stack the codes and increase your subscribers. So this is the current plan we have.
So this is actually what I call pre-information, you know, insider information, guys. So
Right,
so don't tell AppSumo.
right.
Okay, next go to the next question. Okay, tagging, you know.
Yes, I can't seem it
So
from
whether option to tag your subscriber, you know, with some tags.
option to tag to the subscribers. Okay, so putting up additional tags. This can be easily achieved with adding more text-based custom fields. So once you are adding this text-based custom fields, you can start tagging your subscribers right from there. So this is how a lot of customers are using contact tagging inside our EasySendy platform. So
Okay.
tagging definitely helps you segment the customers, segment the contacts, and this is how you use. Can we segment the contacts? Yes, this feature is there based on tag category or any other custom behavior. Yeah, so currently you can tag based on email. You can create segment based on first name. You can create tag based on last name. And once you have defined the tag inside your custom field, then those options also start populating inside your segment. So based on those segment, you can yes define, you can segment the contacts based on those contact tags.
Next question: can we have multiple brands? You know,
So currently we don't have this feature available onto our platform. We have added this feature into our roadmap, which we will be releasing soon.
which means right now, if we want to use multiple brand, how are we going to do it? Buy
Yeah.
two
So
license.
for multiple brands, our suggestion is usually create each new account for each new brands. This is how we suggest our customers to use.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, integration with Publi. Uh,
So it is again under process. So what I have checked with my team, they are suggesting a timeline of mid of January, where they will be testing the integration with Pabbly and finalizing the release.
Okay, because Pabli is very popular within the LTD
Right,
community.
right.
Okay, let me move down and see any other question. Is there any other way to use it without subscribing to SES, as Amazon SES?
Yeah. So Arctic Mail also has some limits, and they are providing free emails. Even in Black Friday, they are going to provide some deal for EasySendy users. So do check out those details. And then apart from Amazon SES, you can use SendGrid, you can use Mailgun, you can use Spark Post. So you have plenty of options available. So what professional marketers and leaders in email marketing, what they do is they keep on testing their email delivery in different regions according to their subscribers, through different email delivery channels also. So for example, what we have heard from our customers is they are kind of auditing their email delivery capabilities, because what happens is onto one platform you will get more email open rate, in some platform you get low email open rate. So so these kind of testing our users keep on doing across. But again, these testings take time. I mean, you can't take a decision by sending one campaign through one email delivery API in a month. So you will have to follow a full routine of 3 to 6 months, and then you need to say that, okay, for this season, this kind of customers were getting a really good email open rate through this particular email API. So these are the kind of whole test, A/B split test across the email deliveries need to be run to find out, or to look into how it is working.
Okay, next question. ETA for SMS and N8N implementation.
Yeah. So for SMS, what I have seen, our team has started working with some of the customers in backend as a beta release, and very much into it is between alpha and beta, where they are working with some of the customers out here in India, where they are going to release almost 124 SMS integrations across the globe. So we are going to see every region, top 20 countries have all the SMS provider integrations available inside EasySendy, which is going to help you deliver hybrid SMS into different markets.
Okay, that's nice. I will check.
And there was one more question, N8 and integrations, right?
Yeah.
So N8 integrations are scheduled to arrive in March. So end of the first quarter next year. This is what the update right now I could see on our dashboard.
Okay, so Mabel was calculating the cost for this SES, not
Yeah,
SES for
so
you.
yeah, the price is same. As we said, $0.1 for 1,000 emails after 62K emails. But again, there's a trick out there. 62K free emails, you would not be able to get it for free, because Amazon is providing 62K emails free of cost only to the users of AWS services. So if you are using any of other AWS services, then this part is going to be completely free for you. So this is the kind of trick which Amazon has played over here.
Okay, so that's information we should take note. Is there any tutorial to set up AWS?
Yes, so a very detailed tutorial is available on EasySendy documents.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, guys, I think we have answered most of the question. If you still have any unanswered question, you can actually write it down again. Then we can see, let Ankit to answer. While we are waiting for any additional question, I will go into this views of name. Let me share my screen. We will pick our winners. Hold on. Okay, that is the views of name that everybody was hoping. So today we have 5 winners. We're going to choose 5 winners by views of name. And these are the names of the people who have attended live here. Let's check whether any repeated name. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let me check our chat, see any new question. So there's no new question. I will just start the giveaway. We'll choose 5 names and see who is the lucky one.
So Albert, I'm trying to click to spin, but it seems it is not taking.
No, I have not spin. I'm just checking the chat. So because I was looking at the what they call my Google sheet, to see whether I have missed out any name. So I think there is no. So let's go. Okay, guys, get ready. I will just spin 5 times. Anush Kale.
Anuj Kale, wow.
Anush, are you around to claim the prize? If not, well, we will spin again. Please type your name in the chat so that we can see your name. Anush Kale, calling one. So Ankit, we will spin until we get the people who are actually present, because sometimes people just come in and put their name and just walk away. Can somebody ping him, Anush Kale? He's not around? Is he around?
So we could not see any reply.
Yeah, can somebody just type his name, ping him? He did ask some question, if I'm not wrong, during the Facebook Live. Okay, thank you, Chaitanya. Okay, so while we are waiting, just make sure that if you still have any question, just type it in the chat, and Ankit will try to answer that. Okay, Cleven Chu is calling Anush Kale. Ankit is calling Anush Kale. Okay, so seems that you have left. You have no choice. You have to call it. You have to drop your name. Okay, guys. We have to spin another time to choose the winner. Okay, let's go. Jadip Haria.
Wow.
Jadip, are you around? Okay, I saw this Chem Fendi. Your name is not there. Maybe you have not submit your form, so I don't see your name in the form, if I'm not wrong. Okay, Can Jadip please confirm that you are around to claim the prize? Jadip Haria. Okay, finally you are here. So I
Wow.
see your name. But the
Congrats,
problem is,
Jadip.
Jadip, you didn't give permission to Melon. That's why sometimes you have difficulty to confirm that is you. Okay, thank you, Jadip. Let's remove your name. So let's spin the second time for the second winner. Interpret Singh. Interpret Singh, please type your name in the chat so that we know you are here. You should be here because I see you just now. Interpret Singh. Okay, congratulations. No, let me, because it keep on jumping. Yeah, this is Interpret Singh. Okay, let's remove your name and spin the third time. Akoji. Akoji?
So we are not
Akoji,
getting.
are you there? Can you type your name? Your name is not Thanks, right? I saw. You just type your name, Thanks.
Cool. Many congrats.
Sometimes people cannot understand, you know. We ask you to type Akoji, please type Akoji. Congratulations. You know why I want to make sure that that is your name and that is the real person that is actually claiming the prize? Because some people just type the winner's name claiming that he is the winner. So we have this
Oh,
problem, you know. So thank you, Ako. So we have another prize coming up for the right person. Let's go. Chaitanya. Sure, he's here.
Chaitanya. Many congrats, Chaitanya.
Sure, he's here. Okay, he's here. Chaitanya,
So he's here.
congratulations. Okay, Anush Kale, are you here? Just type your name. Anush Kale, you you went off and you come back, but now you're off again. Is he around, guys? Anush Kare, is he around in the Facebook group? Facebook chat?
So he typed Anuj.
I mean, sometimes I do not know whether to award to you guys. You just come in and go, come in and go, you know. So,
Mhm.
Ankit, what do you think?
So I believe Yeah, we have waited. Probably he might be busy on call, or probably I'm not sure.
Okay, guys. I mean, I really want to give the prizes to you guys, but the only thing that you have to cooperate, you have to be present. Okay, Ankit, why not we draw another one? Okay, let's draw the last one. Let's go. Rosie Walia, are you there?
Wow, many congrats.
Please type your name. Okay,
Cool. We can
that's
see.
she. Okay, congratulations. Let me write down. Okay, guys, these are the names. Let me put it up. So Anush is not here even after we call second time. So Jadip, Interpret Singh, Akoji, Chaitanya, and Rosie Waria, congratulations. And we will announce it officially in our Facebook group and tell you how to claim the prizes. So guys, let me stop sharing the screen. And before we say goodbye, I would like to say something about this EasySendy email marketing platform. So from what I have seen for the past hour, Ankit actually shown us in great detail on how to actually use this email marketing platform. So the only thing that you have to be careful is that you have to actually subscribe to this SES, know your cost before you actually decide whether to go and buy it or to actually not to buy it. So we do not want people just to buy because it is LTD. You have to work out your cost, but definitely, if you find that this is something that you are looking for, something that is good for you, then please go ahead so that you have a good what they call a purchase. And I believe Ankit's team are actually very keen to support you guys, to set up the email, whatever problem that you have, they can actually solve it. They are not one company that is established 2 weeks ago or 1 year ago. They have been here for long, more than 9 years,
Correct.
that kind of what they call a reputation. So that's all I have to say. Ankit, you have anything to say before we actually end it?
Um, a lot of things out there, a lot of things in the market in email space. We have actually seen this space evolve from what we have seen 7 years ago or 8 years ago, and we have seen multiple rounds of consolidation, and again a new form of email ecosystem that has evolved over time. Probably 5 years back, nobody knew that okay, email verification is going to be the key into the market. So today, email verification and then a whole of hybrid email marketing concept with micro delivery emerged, and now again, email marketing is no longer dead. So a lot of noise we could hear into the space where marketers say that email marketing is dead. Yes, something is dead if you are not following the guidelines and the not following according to your plan or according to the mailbox guidelines. Everything is alive in the marketing, everything is rolling. It gives you good ROI if you are following all the rules and all the guidelines which is set up out there, and accordingly and beautifully it works. And email is one of the highest ROI driving channel. With us, we have seen several customers getting a lot of success in their email deliveries, whether they are going through our own infrastructure of Arctic Mail, or probably they are working with cloud email APIs or transactional email APIs. So all these plays, it's working really well and good. So a lot of choices out there. You can schedule call with our team to have discussion about which is more suitable email delivery API for you. They are going to guide you according to your plans, according to your campaigns, according to your subscribers and geolocations. So a lot of these things can be achieved right from EasySendy.
Okay, so thank you, Ankit, for your comments. So I think we have come to the end of this our session, and also the giveaway has been announced. So I'd like to thank Ankit and your team who is working hard, to make this
Yes.
Facebook Live a success. And I hope, I sincerely hope that you have a good run in this AppSumo as well as Deal Mirror, and your upcoming what I call AppSumo in January to
Yeah.
allow people to stack. I believe you are going to select, right?
Right.
Okay, that's good. So looking forward to that event again. So guys, that's all we have
Thank you
today,
so
and
much.
we'd like to say bye bye and all the best to everybody.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Neha and Aparna, Megmala. Thank you so much, Albert, for hosting us.
Bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye.